Hey there, and welcome to AgentQL's launch of a new experimental feature. Are you trying to extract data from websites on a regular basis, but you don't want to set up a cron job or some other process that will run them on a regular schedule? Fear no more. We have just introduced a brand new feature called scheduling. If you go to dev.agentql.com and get yourself an API key, you'll see this new tab, which will allow you to build a scheduled scraping job. So just click Add New Workflow. We're going to call this one Startup News. And we're going to scrape, you can scrape more than one at a time. Here we've got Product Hunt, and I'm going to add another one for everybody's favorite Hacker News. Let's see, I'm grabbing this from one of my open tabs off screen here. There we go. Boop. Now, what kind of query? We're going to want to get posts. We're going to get an array of posts. So we write it like this. This is an AgentQL query. It looks a little like GraphQL if you're familiar with that, but these are not keywords or part of a spec. I'm just writing out natural language what I'm looking for. The title, the URL, and the date posted. Okay, and we're going to have this run every day at 8 a.m. Or we could do a custom time, once a week. I'm going to say let's do it every Monday. That way I wake up and I have all these new things to read. And you can set it to save a screenshot or not. Saving a screenshot can be really handy. I'm going to show you how to debug this in just a minute. So let's submit and see what happens. All right. Okay, let's see. Let's go take a look at it and inspect it. Okay. So it's active, screenshots enabled, but none of the jobs have actually run yet. You could pause them if you were like, I'm going on vacation, I'm going to pause these jobs. Let's resume for now. Let's go ahead and run the job. Okay, it's going to take a little while, but while it does that, let's just have a peek at these different examples. If we wanted to edit, we can press the edit button. It brings us right back here. We're going to call it Startup Monday News. And just hit update. And there we go. And here are our runs. So here's a screenshot from Hacker News. This is what we were looking at. Now, if there had been some sort of anti-bot or something and put up like a CAPTCHA, we might find that here. But it looks like it ran successfully. The page was completely accessed by AgentQL. It's got the title, it's got the URL, it's got the date posted. Love it. Let's see how the job went over on Product Hunt. Here we go. Oh, looks like it went just as well. We've got the URL, we've got the date posted, and the screenshot. Nice. And the best part is, now we can go ahead and export each of these, select what we want to export, and go ahead and export the JSON. And now we can access the results of this job whenever we want. Now, this was just a demo. I don't need to keep it, so I'm going to go ahead and delete. Notice that this action cannot be undone. Well, that's all right. I'm sure I'll make many more of these in the future. So what do you think? We're just trying this out, see what our wonderful customers and people building the agentic AI future think of this. Is it useful? Is it not? Come join us on Discord and let us know what you think.